Hello viewers, welcome you all to our channel. So it's been a long time since we have made any video. So there were some personal reasons behind that. Also I was preparing for the Microsoft Power Platform exams. I managed to clear the exam recently, so thanks for staying with this channel throughout this time, and thanks for the support. So let's jump into the video. So today we are going to discuss on a very common scenario which you would be encountering in day-to-day life. So if you look into my screen, I have actually four almost many windows open in my machine. Among them I have 4 Excel sheets open, and I have a PowerPoint presentation open, I have my browser open, and also folders. There could be scenarios where you may have to switch working on Excel from one Excel to other Excel. For example, I am in a large and small workbook, and from this I may need to go to lookup. So I may have to search that. Okay, here is lookup. Again, if I have to go to H lookup, then again I have to take the same route. This seems to be a little tedious to switch the control between one workbook to other workbook. But if you want to switch the control between one workbook to other workbook, there is another simple way. Just go to this. Okay, just go to view, and then here you will find the option called switch windows. Just use this option. This just lists only the Excel workbooks. It will not show the other menu contents like PowerPoint presentation or folder. It just gives you all the open workbooks in your machine, and you can just straight away select something. If I want to select lookup, I can select lookup. That takes me to lookup, and if I want to select people graph, I can select people graph. So it's really simple. That makes shifting the control between your workbooks much simpler than how it normally happens using the Alt Tab control. So I hope that tip is useful. Please stay connected. We have more videos to be published in future. Thanks for your support. See you all.